As the investigators piece together the final moments, the plane operator is now under intense scrutiny. The Learjet was operated by a Delhi-based VSR Ventures Private Limited, and questions are now being asked on the maintenance, oversight and safety compliance as well. In fact, we have some breaking updates now coming in. The AAIB officials who are investigating the incident, we're told documents have been taken for the investigation, the complete aircraft maintenance records, engine, aircraft system, service history, the technical logbook, the flight records of the pilots and medical certificates, all being looked at by the AAIB during the investigations. Now, remember, VSR is now under investigations. And let's go across to my colleague Priyank Tripathi, who is joining us with the details of the investigation so far. And Priyank, there are multiple questions that are being raised. This is an aircraft that is known as the limousine of the skies, but clearly many questions still remain. What are the details of the investigation so far?
So far what we have got to know that the AAIB officials came here around 10 o'clock soon after they got to know about this unfortunate incident, and this is the headquarters of the VSR Venture where the officials stayed for almost 3.5 hours. While collecting the information, they have collected the aircraft maintenance record, the engine and aircraft system service record, technical logbook, pilot's record and other details, so that they can actually go to the findings and come to the conclusion that what could have led to this unfortunate crash. While talking to Times Network, the director of this company has said that primarily what they got to know that the pilot could not see the runway, which is factually wrong, because the CCTV footage from a far away distance, that to a small CCTV camera, has captured the fireball, which shows that the visibility was quite okay. And that is the data record which is also showing that around 1.5 kilometer visibility was already there. Now the fact of the matter is that it will be a lengthy investigation. We can say that after 2 to 3 days, a preliminary investigation detail can be given to the DGC official. But at this moment, what we can certainly say that this investigation will take some more time period. In 2023, there was a similar kind of accident which had happened with the same charter flight where 6 people had been injured. On that particular incident, the officials have been saying from the VSR that also happened because of lack of visibility, because it was raining at that particular time period. So the claim from the VSR Ventures is not going to be taken on face value so far. It will be a documented investigation which has been initiated, and the AAIB officials have taken the record from here.
Okay, all right. Priyank, do stay with us. We will get more details on this. Let's also talk about the questions that still remain. The big question on whether proper maintenance of the aircraft was done, whether a faulty plane was given to Ajit Pawar, and whether past incidents were ignored. We're saying this because 3 years back, a similar incident had happened involving the same operator and the same aircraft type, a Learjet 45. And this was at Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. So in 2023, there was a crash that was reported at the Mumbai airport. It was on the 14th of September in 2023, when what had happened is that the plane had skidded off the runway. The co-pilot had received some serious injuries. And again, it was the AAIB that had filed an accident report in this regard. So investigations into the same ongoing. So this is the incident that had taken place, which now raises questions. This incident taking place in 2023. So were enough checks conducted or not? These questions still remain. And now these questions will be investigated by the AAIB as well. A lot more to talk about on what are the details available at this point and what the investigations are going to look at. We get you all of those details and more after a short break.